Indonesia has approximately 108,000 kilometers of coastline, the longest one in the world after Canada. Many exotic beaches are found in this country. Wave Beach in Sabang, Plasti Beach in Bali, and Raja Ampat Island in Papua. But with these crazes come inherent problems, such as coastal erosion. How do we solve this problem and preserve the beauty of nature? Look toward at emergo, I struggle and emerge. The Latin proverb describes the dynamic of human-nature relationship. From this root, building with nature, or BwN, grow in Netherlands, where the physical adversity of water is a serious challenge. Within this framework, the Netherlands has successfully dealt with the challenge of water to maintain their coastline. In essential, BwN that's about sustaining natural processes without sacrificing human interests. Learning from the Netherlands, Indonesia can cultivate the same fruitful relationship with nature. Three concepts that must be used in the implementation of BwN are bringing material from nature, doing natural processing, and considering the human interests. Solving coastal problems with hard structure sometimes only lead to far more complex problems. Balai Litbang Pantai, a center of excellence for coastal research, tried to disseminate BwN framework to our internship students from ITS and ITB. We choose Gondol Beach, local beach near our headquarters, as our learning laboratory to apply this concept. Gondol Beach, located in Banjar, Penyeberangan Village, the district of Gerugak, Buleleng Regency, Bali Province. There are a large center for marine aquaculture research and fisheries counseling belonging to the Ministry of Maritime Affairs and Fisheries, which built some floating net cages. Besides, there is community-owned fish farming ponds that were built close to the beach. This decreases the quality of seawater. The decreasing of quality is caused by pond waste flow to the sea. The other problem is coastline retreat.
Dulu sampai sana tuh. Dulu lembaga itu loh. Kan habis dikeruk kan. Air kalau anu kan naik. Namanya di laut dia nyampe juga kalau ombak naik turun air. Nah, kalau ondem dari timur naik lah ombak besar.
The west part is gravel beach while the rest is sand beaches. The longshore current distributes not only coastal sediment but also sediment materials from river. Gondol Beach, with its morphology as a bay, has distinct features. The coastal processes is tide dominate with moderate wind wave, but severe storms can cause significant wave run-up and coastal flooding to human settlement. In this point of view, hard structure is considered ineffective. First, the construction is built without understanding the coastal sedimentation system and only designed to protect human settlement behind. Another is the degraded water quality reduced to lifetime of hard structure. The solution that we find within BwN framework is sesek floating breakwater. made from bamboo to reduce wave height so that coastline does not retreat. Sesek is woven from bamboo. In Indonesia, especially in village, sesek are usually used for bridge because strong to support someone's weight and even a motorcycle. This is an example of how the structured design works. The implementation project is conducted in spatial and temporal variable. We designed the breakwater to be installed in several points about 100 meters from the beach. From our calculation, we can implement this project within 37 days of work. After the project, the sesek will be monitored to determine its effectiveness with preventing coastline retreat. There will be a hydro-oceanography survey to measure the coastline evolution. The survey will be conducted every 3 months